I always feel the best is to go to a life coach and a psychologist, psychiatrist, because you know what, that combination works like magic. So while they will put you on medication, we will do the one-to-one therapy or all of the calls, and you know what, very fast you can get out of depression. It's not something you have to live with. Today there's more than enough solutions around it. It's just the awareness is not there. How to fight anxiety and depression? Nice question. So when you're fighting anxiety, to me, you don't fight anxiety, you handle or manage anxiety. See, anxiety is our mind telling us what all can go wrong in whatever it is we are attempting, right? So we are anxious about some consequence that is not suiting our mindset. Now, if you can control it, take the effort to do that. If you can't control it, surrender or have more faith in your God. So for me, managing my anxiety is all about God. Now I'm leaving this to you. I have done my work. Let's say I'm a farmer. I have sowed my seeds. Now, whether it will grow or not, whether nature will support it or not, whether I will get the right environment for the seeds to grow, all of that is God's work. If I keep sitting anxious, then I am doubting my God. And I don't doubt my God. So I just say, God, if you will get it right, that will be also for me. If you don't get it right, it will be a lesson that might have needed to learn for me to get it right next time. So then I remove, or rather manage my anxiety. I don't think you can get rid of it, because you know what, we get anxious about things that are important to us. But learning to manage, for example, these days we have a lot of anxiety around death. Thanks to COVID, it's become a situation where there's so much uncertainty that you really have to start to build faith in God, that God will be there for me, right? So you have to build that faith. Otherwise, we all will go crazy just worrying about our loved ones. So anxiety to be managed. What you can control, do the best in. What you can't control, build your faith with that cosmic intelligence, that universal power that truly wants to be there for you if you allow it. Now, at what frequency you're vibrating decides your universal power's luck. So luck is not luck at all. Luck is all about how positive can you be. The more positive you can develop yourself to become, the God will give you what it is you're expecting. We get what we expect, and life becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. So you want to be a little careful around all of those things and develop a mindset which is more and more positive. To do that, just start writing gratitude every day. I know it sounds so foolish for me to just only keep giving this one solution to everything, write gratitude, but I can't begin to tell you that this is the one thing that changed my life forever, and I want to help you do the same. So I know the power of daily, consistently writing gratitude, the kind of chemicals it creates in your brain, the kind of awakening that happens at different levels of your mindset. It is just mind-blowing. So start doing gratitude every day. As far as depression is concerned, it all depends. Is it clinical or is it because of a situation? If it is because of a situation, go to a life coach. They will be able to help you get you out of that situation, because sometimes we have given a meaning. Let's say you lose one or two people, you start to get nervous that people I love die. So we give all these crazy meanings. We look for patterns, because patterns is the easy way for our brain to be able to identify how life works, right? And then we start to look for patterns, and then our own created patterns start to scare us, right? So you want to make sure that there is someone who can work with your belief system when it comes to depression, because that means you have some thought in your head that's not suiting you. That is if it is not clinical. If it is clinical, then you need to go to a psychologist or a psychiatrist who can actually help you with some sort of medication. I always feel the best is to go to a life coach and a psychologist, psychiatrist, because you know what, that combination works like magic. So while they will put you on medication, we will do the one-to-one therapy or all of the calls, and you know what, very fast you can get out of depression. It's not something you have to live with. Today there's more than enough solutions around it. It's just the awareness is not there. For me, whenever I'm feeling sad, depression is a big word, right? Sad is also sad, upset. Some of us just live in that amount of depression. So if you're sad and upset, I always say this: create a list of things that give you joy, and every day do at least 3 things out of that list. So let's say foot reflexology gives me joy, going shopping gives me joy, spending time with my CPC gang gives me joy, being around inspiring people gives me joy, joining courses gives me joy. I have a list of all the things that give me joy. Listening to music can cheer you up. So, and then at least I will attempt 3 things per day. So I don't leave joy to happen to me. I run after joy and make joy happen in my life. So see if you can work with that.